Now, good evening. The program in the watch now, the water will reach now from Independent Television, Edo State, Nigeria. And today again, we'll get other different issues we want to talk about this country, outside the country, and the world. My name is Mark Ololo. Now, different stories, different things when they happen for this country and around the world that we discuss. The streets of Santiago for Chile, people call the dance. Many things happen there. As you see, they elect a 35-year-old man or young man as president of Chile. This happened just on Sunday here, and for the streets of Chile and for Santiago, everybody just happy because of that kind of thing. So the question is, which day that kind of thing will happen for our country? And we'll see, get somebody of 35 years as president of Nigeria. Then today will be the 20th of December. By 12 midnight, the bill, the amendment of the Electoral Act, from say the Senate passed, or rather the National Assembly passed, today 9 years will expire, after which, according to the Constitution, the National Assembly will override presidential veto. As we say, Mr. President, no agree sign that bill. Those are two things we'll discuss. I deal with my brother and one of our very own, Sahan Obaraye, now political analyst at the Daily Talk for himself. Sahan, good evening.
Good evening, sir. My people for the house, good evening.
Okay, H.I. Robin, one academician, who see all the time in head. In fact, maybe not law if a Kukuma jury, because now all the books when in this country, now they read, and today don't they get. H.I. good evening.
I greet you, my brother. My people for us, I greet you now.
Sahan, first of all, now you be young person, way young, small for here. When you see yesterday Chile, they elect a 35-year-old person, young man rather, Gabriel Boric, as the president of Chile. That can take you out for your country.
Yeah, and a very good thing. What will happen for Nigeria?
Don't feel for Nigeria.
To even get even 50 years old for president. The truth be say, we not get that foundation when the person go fit go, come up for nursery school, enter primary, go university, then immediately that he get what he want to do, he go begin start up. For Nigeria own factor, accepting your papa and person won't get money when take you go private university, now go fit just make you go school. Right from the day when you start nursery school, go reach university, you know early holiday you go spend for house. If you do it in the government way, yeah, it's either has to take 1 year, the other one school, fight, so the things not do well. But now my prayer say make it also happen one day. And it will also happen if our leaders put things in place, not just to say now the youth, now be youth, now be leaders of tomorrow. Nobody person they talk for mouth. We now put things for ground to make sure say the youth they build themselves for leadership. If the youth not build themselves for leadership, what you will expect if you give them leadership? Now either you go begin introduce waiting you learn, either to begin do yahoo or begin smoke scotches. You want to say that they smoke now. But my prayer be one day be say Nigeria political system go turn around, because now like before, let's say in 1999, when me privileged to be youth leader. Then I was one of the youngest even for radio. But years later now as I speak, there are more youth now practicing politics. Before they said youth when me go call that time say me could go meeting. Now that they talk say Baba meeting day. So they give us happiness when we don't say the young people take this thing, because the leaders when they take decision, they fit take decision because of the many there. Just say with the leadership meeting now we don't already get 2/1. So anything will concern you two, I want to bring comfortable. You and the party, I will say no. Do it to the other day own. That's why you see, say even when the women not even part 2 or 3 for among them. If you get about 20 political leaders, you will get approximately 15 old men leaving 2 young people, or maybe 18 women. So by the time far-reaching decisions come, what they want to take, they'll say, okay, what person that would put that into vote. The person when one vote for you now 1 or 2. So you see, I say they always have their way. Take this case now. So maybe the youth now. Before you know, I'm not just saying 35 years old for National Assembly leader self. There are very few House of Assembly you even see 35 years old. It is strange not to even talk of presidency, where the president of Nigeria done there approximately 80 years. Most of the ministers 70-something the same 80 years. So you, with your own even appointment self, you know, everyone encourage the youth wing of the Nigeria politics. Are you getting it? So person will not put people for ground, say, okay, may this youth come be my SSG to this country. May this youth come be my PA or so that youth go see that process as a government process. With this boy age of 35, go look am. It not just start today. If you don't start that kind 10 years ago, they follow person as a mentor. So at that time, so when the time go come, you know, go just take the thing up as a surprise. Maybe if you don't be SUG for president for school, you go don't get something when give her that leadership capability, that leadership spirit to say things more happen. I also look the place Chile. What happened for Africa too? The one guy when they sing, where we want follow the president contest. I should say that one was free for the case. When they give up now, they don't balance. Say you know which to even contest, you will be. So you can say, as a first of all, even in the African setting, not be what they even they think of. They see youth as you don't even suppose even they forgetting say they were youth. If you think of the people leading us today, they held position 40-something years ago, and if they are 70 or 80 now, that's also they were 30-something. When they had these positions, people like Lai Mohammed, he don't tell when we begin hear that name. By President Buhari, don't tell. I hear on. Sometimes as minister, I hear on they come. And me now my pikin don't nearly also they fall finish secondary school. If me hear on me small, like my pikin I don't hear same name. So when even my pikin won't come tell you when me never even rule. So the Nigeria structure don't ready for just the you know stand well. Our leaders make sure say. After they fit get leadership as youth from Obodo people, they no give them again to youth, and they no even want to try them again because they know say if they try, if you don't reach their hand. So my own prayer be say make more youth they participate for politics. If more youth begin participate, they say and say okay, they want to take the decision. Okay, look like the issue of that Lekki NSAS protest. Now youth nice starter, but what they call end them up. They were not able to repair it. The entire nation was already scared. But because they were not prepared, they lost balance. In a safe society, that one and waiting they even change, the government will come out, no matter how forceful the government be. Because if they don't come out there, the way they organize themselves, begin cook there, play music there, just stay there. A time go come, government will get option. But to say these people, they really did. But Nigeria youth just throw small thing in. Just small. Say you, bless now, you be you hear your word there. Okay, you come. After this wahala, we will give you something. You can't take. Betrayal will just start there. But our leaders, you see, say a few days ago when Buhari do birthday, Atiku was one of the first to congratulate him as birthday. So you see, I say our leaders know the quarrel. Now we youth, they put say our leader, Paichoya, you know, they talk to my leader. For that reason, if I say I don't go talk to him.
Even if you want to even talk of that one, when Yusuf Buhari man,
yes.
Now Atiku na see that as a papa.
As a papa.
Abi?
Yes. So you got to tell you say our leaders get something in common. That now we they play. But now they first put say Atiku don't win, Buhari I don't like him. So until our youth also begin change that narrative, change that mindset. Me not see even 50 years old man becoming Nigeria president, even becoming a state governor in Nigeria, because the people wey get the money, the youth so not get money to run election. Youth no go see 5 billion wey see am. And Nigeria presidency, there is no way say you manage money, may you no use above 1 or 2 billion. May you take where the youth want see money. So even if the youth want see money, now these leaders too, they go bring money come out, install the youth, still now they dey there. So the Nigeria structure not just get am. If you go somewhere like Chile, then you see I say their vote counted. But for here, how many votes they count? Not be waiting to make votes count. So our papa just want wait now a few hours time in upper one. Waiting go make votes count. Waiting go even increase them. Waiting go make them sweet. The Korea, the Maggi, when they add put to we cook the electoral process. Say this time we they cook them before it be like say we done the sour. Make we put some things again to make am sweet, put meat to attractive. You don't want to. Now that kind of person, now ready for the youth of tomorrow. They're not ready now.
Ejo,
Yes.
when you see that development in Chile, you agree with and say that's no fear for Nigeria?
It will take time before it will happen.
Like how many years?
No, anything can happen actually anywhere in the world, because when General Yakubu Gowon became head of state and commander-in-chief, he was 30-something years old, 33. Juku himself was 30-something. Mohammed 30-something. So it had been 30-something, 30-something. But it had not been through the democratic process. That is the only difference. He has nailed it. He took him. The reason why would they almost impossible be say they say who for go Oba Palace go talk true. You know we'll see cloth where go there. Who will be that youth where want go for presidency? Where is the money? Now money in Nigerian politics, now money they talk, not be your brain, not be your connection. Connection, I better keep connection aside. Now money, now they talk. So that for Nigeria now, even when you see an ailing, almost dying candidate for presidency, I know about talk. Now there everybody goes to say, now that man, even when you know say this man may not survive the next day, you go say now then we'll vote for. It got that for Nigeria where we vote for governor. As they count the votes, they declare a winner. The following day he died. Because even on his dying bed, now people come they campaign, people come they vote, people they spend money to put her in. So in Nigerian politics today, it go hard before you go see such a young, vibrant, dynamic, youthful youth coming and go say, now be president. But like I talk, anything if it happen though, we don't go take Chile, take the compare Nigeria. Chile, na small country of 19 million. Kano for Nigeria na 15 million people. Lagos na 12 million. So if you say Chile, if you add Edo and Kano, it don't pass Chile. So who fit be governor for Kano, go fit be president for Chile. Who fit be governor for Lagos, go fit be president for Chile. That's all the matter be. So Chile is a very small country of about 19,333,000 people. Then with the GDP, okay, GDP, if you even still consider how wealthy that country is, if you compare it to Nigeria, they rich past Nigeria, because for Chile, the GDP today now 259 billion US dollars. Nigeria now 438. So when you compare them, you go see say they almost half what Nigeria get. Chile don't almost get half of Nigerian money at 200 million people. So Chile government now 19 million persons now they plan for. Nigerian government they plan for over 200 million. So anybody who if you emerge president for Chile, it be like one governor in one of the states in Nigeria. Rivers, sorry, Kano State, Lagos State, Niger State, you don't already pass Chile. But we hope it is a lesson, say anything will happen. And if youth will really feel come out, may come be leaders, Nigeria will feel be example. Me don't tire to see old people, although person say, even me said me never old. I never old, I better want to vote me for presidency, make it a warm up. So on a lighter mood, our president today is celebrating 79. The cabinet, on the average, it is 75. They said on the average, the age. But when you see pick some of the ministers, Minister Amechi, for example, he was 30-something when he was already in government. Secretary to government for 8 years. Do government governor for 8 years.
Speaker.
Do speaker. So he don't come before he can be. He's just 56 now. And he don't go 8 years even as a minister. That's a youth. And so it's possible to, we can even say, make Amechi go for presidency. Not beside they campaign for Ramo, but he's one of those persons where we feel say, yes, in our youth, and get that energy where we feel to lead the country. So, to answer your question straight, it is possible to have a youth leading Nigeria.
Okay, well, before you enter the other side, with all of this analysis now, if I ask you directly,
Yes.
is there hope for this country?
In terms of what?
Leadership.
Why not? Now I just thought just now. Why all of us they talk here now? You see, like I talked last time, I say there is difference between book sense and leadership sense. And most of the time, waiting you will they see now, waiting people read for book, waiting they know they practice. Now in person that Sero talking for him poems, he said the man who knew all the books but did not know love. You know all the theories, but you know the field practice. That is our problem.
You remember the is it president of Afghanistan who writes book of how to develop a failed state?
Yes.
Vice Chancellor.
Afghanistan.
Yes, Afghanistan.
Yes.
Is it rules about how to develop a failed state and all that? And they come very wrong for the country.
Yes.
So that be the book says.
Well, that be the book says. We are talking of the practice, not be to the talk. Look at what is happening in Nigeria now. I know say we never go there. This electoral system, the electoral bill where they amend. President say in the wait for chairman of INEC. Now may come explain before he go sign. You know say Nigeria we always have a way. What they call explaining a problem away. You just say what do we tell these people? Now, law no fit hold on now say e no sign o, because excuse don dey. He say in dey wait make the people wey know am come tell am, and of course anybody will say why not actually wait.
But if we want to go to that directly, so by law,
yes,
that the pass out of the 19th. By calculation 20th, which is today,
yes,
is supposed to. So are you saying that as a president of a country, between that time when they pass the law till now, you know, if you see ANEC chairman will be employee?
Let me tell you about Nigeria and the Nigerian system.
Yes.
The Nigerian system now they tell you so. Not be waiting they write for book, then they follow when you can't reach that chair. What you will do now? As a not one, what can we do as a people? What can the National Assembly do? Make them try, make them override them, whether it will work. It not will work, because here, like our brother talk, the foundation is weak. I don't want to say it's wrong. Who is that person who will be there enough? Like somebody said, who are the temerity? Don't become a matter of temerity. Say God. Say you get power, you will feel challenge the president. Now so it be for Nigeria now. They don't debate them for the National Assembly and the House of Assembly. They don't agree. Say now so it be. And that one are the law. The people wey the constitution give power, make them make law for the peace, order and good governance of Nigeria. Now one man is sitting down somewhere to say, I want somebody else of an agency wey the government sef form to explain. And meanwhile, this one are waiting. This man, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, don't explain ever since. Say he don't get power, he don't get hand for primaries where they talk. We didn't even did the electoral act where they cause this headache now. Now whether now direct or indirect. Now they call the man say, may come talk about the cost implication, and it can't be like say Nigeria don't forget say the cost of primary election in Nigeria. Not be INEC supposed bearer, not be federal government supposed bearer, not be taxpayers' money supposed they use. Now political party business, now be primaries be. Why they call INEC put? INEC's rule was just to observe. Their rule was minimal. But now they can't be like saying now INEC one begin conduct primaries. And when INEC come they conduct them, or when they want conduct them, INEC they talk about 500 billion naira where they will use. And meanwhile they don't already collect 100 billion. Before now, before this electoral act issues came, INEC say 320 billion will be enough for election for 2023. They can't give them now 100 billion. Now National Assembly say it go day okay. Meanwhile, shortfall don't already day ab initio. But INEC now say if they want conduct the primaries, it go reach 500 billion. Why primaries go concern INEC for crying out loud? You know, you mean say we know if we do election even without primaries. I know say now so constitution talk sharp. Primaries say choose who will represent you. Now internal affair of parties be that. Wetin be the need for go collect form, a governorship form for 21 million?
Okay. If that is the case, wetin make the Congo put am for the electoral?
That is the Nigerian problem that we are yet to understand, my brother.
Why politicians? Why those are the Congo put
me never understand why that clause go there, because e no concern government, e no concern INEC, e no concern the people. Now it is an internal affairs of parties. Now only this year now we don dey hear say na government money na dey come take dey conduct primaries. Only this act wey dem put there now. Now they say e get why, according to our people, say e get reason why they wan do am. Maybe they wan find where they go rig election or where they no go rig election. The last time when problem come, when they say they talk of electronic transmission of results, now so the debate catch fire. Today they talk and go here, talk and go there. At the end they say yes, you can transmit results. Me no say this one where they come the talk to now just to they give the people work make they discuss for National Assembly. Otherwise you no suppose concern them.
My brother, sir.
Waiting for the that one. I sure say you see one post for WhatsApp and the Facebook few days ago about one small boy when they kindergarten when he go do election for school.
Yeah.
When the father teach everything. The father say every day if he come, he go lecture am. This is how to speak. This is how to talk to your people. This is how to do. The day of the election come, the mother and I get chance to go. The father come back in the evening, hoping say the son up or waiting don't teach him, go win. And he asked the son, how was the election? He said, Daddy, I did all what you taught me. I did not win because the person that I voted, that we contested together, shared biscuit and mineral. Huh? It's on the internet. Few days ago, never small children school, all those they are small children school. Yeah. Yes. He said the person I contested with shared biscuit and mineral to my friends. So even when I was speaking, they didn't listen to me any longer.
They were eating biscuit.
For kindergarten.
Just like let me add to that. Remember Chuba Karibu?
Yes.
When they asked him, say, he was training people. He said there's no politician that doesn't rig an election. You know about rigging. Why you don't come with? He said his opponent had rigged him.
Yeah.
So that one, if those children don't get that foundation, say somebody will give them biscuits and mineral. That one don't come talk. I just say share biscuits and mineral and they take vote on. Think of those foundation of children as they go. They don't ever believe in anybody. They don't see Martin Luther King. We are not in that child, but they say they like him until they see baby biscuits and mineral. That one I want. Then secondly, bringing about this electoral matter, Baba don't see talk away. Nigeria don't the foundation when a shaky foundation. The issue of direct or indirect primaries. Why the thing they fear? Our leaders they fear to even pass that law. If you want the thing, we want bring fight. As I'm talking from the political angle, the best gift Buhari can give to us before he leave, just the one person just give us GSM. Now the issue of direct primaries. Why did I say it? We talked just now about leadership. The leaders of a party no go fit just sit down, make the position, a governorship position, House of Reps, Senate, slip off their hands like this without any better input. It's impossible because they are businessmen, political business. They don't have any other job. Like every 4 years that they to buy another car, buy a house, so they don't go let that thing pass. If we fit pass them, if you do direct primaries, indirect primaries now, let's say this one na ITV, the ITV na constituency of its own, with about let's say 60 persons na dey here, 7 people or 8 people na be leaders, controlling ITV people. So when it's time for ITV to choose, that 5 or 7 people wey be leaders go sit down. This is something people dey their house say, who do we really want? Somebody will talk say I be like Apollo. You say no. That one, if we give her this position, we no see am again. English dey big. If you go Abuja, go use Abuja power come take pursue us. They'll say, I be like this one. Those one say, we don't like the gate man. That man when they when they talk. And that one he like, oh, why he like this one? Maybe this one like they come help her wash motor for house. Help her drive your wife go market. So he don't so much believe in this, that this one cannot even make money and now forget about where it's coming from, because even he not get credentials. You say that you want to, worry, I will not do me. I will say, me come see you for house, make it settle you. That is how a candidate will emerge from nowhere. But if you don't say direct primaries, when we want pass now, but everybody now, they don't take decision. Now to come outside, the 60-something people don't want to talk, say, so we want. It's simple. So the leaders speak on shout. If you shout for, the only way leaders will feel they win our councillor for their award, because that one we just one unit. So the leader can stand up now, he go stand, say that he want stand to support this person. See here, no go call let other people go against the leader. But say maybe you want to go for somewhere like House of Assembly or House of Rep where get more word. The leader don't fit cover our word at the same time. So other people go liberate themselves to say, no, you don't want to win, now this one we want. It happened in Oredo before against Vasagbelo Osage and Patrick Omayabo Igodomigodo for direct primaries. The leaders were for Igodomigodo. The people was for Vasagbelo Osage. And when the time came, the people voted for him and he won. When the leaders saw it that they lost that position to somebody, when he was not coming back 4 years' time, they now said, no, it's direct primary, so we will not take that risk again. And they now brought Uyibe. He selected people to go and vote in Nobe Stadium. Uyibe won Razak. And we suffered it again in an election because the people were not happy on that outcome. So most time we suffer it a lot. So that starts selling the candidate our leaders impose on us. But if we know and say this person, then we gather they drink for a master store for a now this man, then we know. If the man there with us, then we know. So even when working for that man, you spend less. Razak was not having the money to test his opponent during the primaries. But he had the people because he was always with them. So the people now also did it, and it was like he won even the main election before election because of the happiness and the joy in everybody. So they say, he don't win. With that anxiety of he won, people went to the field again for the main election and delivered him. So these our leaders now they fear say, if we give these people the chance to begin choose, there is no way again we can become billionaires floating. We cannot make it because the people instead of coming to give us cow now, to come just give you a polo of 1 cow and 10 bags of rice or $1 of rice, I will say no. Let me go and say to the 60 people in that TV constituency.
But must it be in the constitution? Because right now, the report from the Ghana say President Muhammadu Buhari don't declare assent to the 2021 Electoral Act Amendment Bill, stating that signing it into law could cause trouble among political parties and that it will heat up the new system unnecessarily. Now this one, Nemi cannot decline the assent, and he can't sign it. That the direct primary Nemi cannot sign the bill. Because of that one, picking candidates by political parties in the Amendment Electoral Act was dangerous to political parties, that it will heat up the system unnecessarily. So,
now what I just expect to you, so that the man run away from.
But the issue of direct must still be in the constitution.
It must not be, my brother.
That party thing.
Wait first. For my people where they listen at home, waiting with the talk here be this direct primary or indirect. What do you mean be say how the political leader go take emerge? Is it by direct process or indirect process? What is the direct primaries? Direct primary means anybody wey wan contest, e go come out from your own village, from your own house. All the people wey know am go vote for am.
Carrying member of the party.
Yes, wey dey that party go vote for am. Then before him go amend. But for the indirect, like our brother talk, you go see say e go be Congress. They go hold meeting, and that meeting go elect few persons wey go still come select these people. Then be Congress, they will choose delegates. And now who get money Now they fit see Oba.
God bless you.
Because if you don't get money, who be you? We go carry person come from Ebele, come Ogbe Stadium, may come vote for me. You know what they. So now who carry person come? Who feed them?
Who lodge
am for hotel? Now he go vote for. So now party issues that all those ones be. But why they can't take and to disturb our constitution, be say government and governors and the National Assembly just want make noise over waiting on supposed be anything, because it be like as matter be now they want comot this food well then they chop from their mouth give the people, and it is actually giving the power to the people. Now so it's supposed be. But if government, if the president come they say if they hit up politics, maybe you will need people to explain more. Why the National Assembly put a...
But you already explained this. If you say INEC say they want 500 billion.
Yes.
For primaries.
For election. Let's say election 2023.
2023. No, initially it's demand for 300 billion, right?
Yes.
Now they're asking for 500 billion because of primaries.
Because of primaries.
Even normal president of a country, when they look for money or when they try to cut costs, he go want to remove his money.
Because he don't understand that. He need somebody to explain to us. The thing not concern INEC. What INEC just need to do, he just be like journalists. Una journalists don't stand, they look at the count.
So why they can't go put that money, add the money job?
That's the country we find ourselves.
Now National Assembly will go ask.
They don't get INEC go come and answer you. When did they do them? Una wait, INEC they come, INEC they come.
But INEC they come before for primaries now.
Yes, now. So just come stand. You know they ask me count and finish. You just write and finish. Opolo 32, Ikioya 44.
Yes.
For that reason,
he carry and go.
He win. Put am bye bye.
He write and down.
He's going back to tell INEC say see wetin he see. In case una go go court tomorrow, say INEC. That's just it. So what you want to give that INEC money for now? Say he take
because this is because they retire and
he don't even need buy. We don't need his phone.
People when no one make president sign am, now they smuggle that thing in. Say it go cost you additional 200 billion.
Okay.
And that man and one eyeglass they use. He go look at money go add join the one when they even they run for and no they go. And meanwhile, e no concern government, e no concern INEC. And you not supposed to collect anything money because now political parties now then they fund primaries. Except again, Nigeria maybe they never tell us if now INEC go come they fund primaries, anything if you have government fit say he no want like that, and he no open hand.
I'm not aware.
What about the other provisions of the electoral amendment?
They just all those other ones they don't forget them.
This one
they rate us. Many things they there. Yeah. For example, this electronic transmission result, it is there.
When they use for Anna brother.
Yes, they use them.
Yeah.
So if president no sign am now be say even that law say you will transmit results, you no get power.
It doesn't stand.
Anybody can contest
because they don't see and say you not favor them.
It's part of it. Yes.
Historically.
Yes.
Listen to me. Okay. Historically, has there been any act of the National Assembly we will see National Assembly come override them?
Who said?
We don't work as a law.
Who said?
But because I remember at Jonathan's time there was something of that nature, but I cannot figure it out. So let me ask you now: is there any act or law of this country they can override presidential veto by two-thirds majority?
Nobody can override president for Nigeria because they will say president and carry all. They say the enormity of his power. He passed 36 governors put together. So he just did there in that height. So nobody will feel when you even say you dey override in power, it go be like say you dey topple am. Now so e come mean to presidency. If president refuses assent, he say he no sign, and National Assembly come rise say they want sign, na be say they don overthrow president be that. And so political parties, politicians and supporters no go even wan hear that kind of thing. They ask their party faithfuls now, where una put here? So una will sit down, people will come override our president. To them, it is their president. It is the president of the APC and not president of Nigeria. And so they will have to do everything possible to protect the APC hegemony. Say, now we get them. And so nobody will feel override us. And nobody is really override. Maybe now wrong use of terminology. If president don't see him in the light of the National Assembly feel throw light by say, okay, Oga, we know say you don't agree, but now so we talk. This becomes a law. Now so it be in a true democracy, but not the type that we practice in Nigeria. Our own is a pseudo-democracy. Pseudo be say, now when anyhow we president want time, now they do one. And it has a tint of authoritarianism, where president will say, now so him do, now so he want do one, and now so it will true be. And it's not supposed to be. So our democracy needs a second definition. Maybe a government of the people as applied by the leaders. Now we get them, but now the leaders, they interpret and they apply them as they like them, may it suit us. So now so it be. You cannot override president in Nigeria because it will amount to overthrow of government.
How about to override the presidential veto? He did constitution two-third majority.
Yes, that one that people where people when get when they live same life they work. What would they talk now? We don't fit talking for America now. We don't fit talking for country that is already on a moving train. Nigeria never even get motor not to talk of it. Say they want to start motor not to say move. Nigeria is not moving. Nigeria is in a static state. I mean, all this our grandma, the big, well, because it pain my heart when we say the process when bring Buhari come, you know, come support. Yeah, President Buhari come. You know, one can support such a process.
When you say go hand over to
no, not be to hand over. I said the process. I said the process. The process now. The APC shares so many things for them when they come back to give them that play ticket as in carry go, no stress. I get it now. You know, just can't want to make anybody also do them again. If for pick some things, the women for also like if for pick some, say okay, this one and this one wanna put, me not like but when I go check this one again for these ones, I don't sign out to law. Not be make you just cuckoo throw everything back up because you know they don't spend money for this thing. No. Some senators go back to their places, go and do something, do the big money follow this thing when you just do now, say nothing they happen, say you go cause wahala. Wait till go cause wahala pass wait till they happen for Borno again. Wahala pass that one, wait till go cause wahala pass wait till they happen for Imo State, Sokoto. So wahala many now, this will not be this was supposed to bring peace. Because if you watch, even with the war that was happening in Anambra, when election come, all of them became one. That's when election came, on the heat of the key yesterday, they shoot police and they shoot. On election, there was nobody that was shot. No life was lost. It was a peaceful election. And the winner has emerged and things have started going well. So if that process of transmitting results was done there, if that process of primaries, I'm also aware now, say, you see, I say because of the cabal nature of primaries when they do, you see, I say this evening before we come now, court don't drive Uber. Say first of all, don't be even you can't you're not supposed to even be candidate.
Yes. Yes.
Because of the wahala, because of all these things, so that they cause them. Because you go see some people when some people when they choose for Congress go there today, you see, but direct primaries only do on two places. Because health carrying card members will be at a venue. At a venue at so time.
But why politicians they fear them?
Now I tell you what happened for Redo now. I give you an example. So it make them fear now. They lost them. Because they can't give people like us dance, macabre dance, so they will come show what it will make know. They no go stay now, heat of the sun now. All those our big men, how they want to stay from 7 to 7 in the evening. You want they want collapse, they don't fit now. But for that direct promise, it be like election too. Because you know they go meet the way you go meet Akporola, so you go meet your gate man for gate. Everybody go meet the woman when they clean for now. You go meet they say, Madam, if I emerge as una party candidate, see what I go do, see what I go do. You must go and meet them. The campaign is enormous. Because people go come ask you question. The day you join party, you they pay this one, they'll come check everything for you. So by so doing, you are emerged first of all as a party candidate under that that type of process don't give you clearance to disturb you for court. But by the time you go, they say, now so governor fashion, now I go Obe Stadium, Apollo fashion, now they take Garrick, Apollo fashion bring Abaraye come out, Ikea fashion when be governor, bring the other person come out. Class already first start of the day. But if everybody doesn't have direct primaries, INEC know where they go. To INEC know say they not you are not right to the again say you are don't comot ITV political party come out for Igosa. Now ITV for Igo party also want to they go come Igosa come wait. So now when you go Luku go say because na get that fashion go Luku to the law to INEC is unknown. So the process no dey come back from the way Buhari just speak that English say e go cause because na wetin we don the process wey we don also fair support before when we see am say you know they spend less.
But Governor Nyesom Wike dey say the ruling party will be APC. They are afraid of losing. That make they withhold the.
They get right now for that, to me even dey shame now say they no fit sign this kind of thing. Who the people are not supposed to fear direct primaries? Me no dey fear direct primaries against anybody. Except maybe I don't know where. If you go to your people will need you now. Wetin I dey fear the indirect primaries where Apollo Okoto say no be about when they go TV go dey talk. Now you wan go give make go dey cause us. For that reason, Mona leave and make it come out there. Eke say, you don't they speak Gamma. You never go get money. See what they do. For that reason, make come out. About 4 people taking your destiny on their hand. But now, make you go meet the people. Over to the market women, the carrier that always stay now. Talk to them.
But the money bags don't agree.
Let me they tell you now. They don't want to be that one because they are one of the process when somebody fit a shine. Because not be one person they talk to, not be campaign you consider inside here say, I want to put the AKR, stand there. Give up. You just talk to a few people, and when the election come, now general people, then you want to go meet. So our party, my beloved party, would have used this one as a gift to some of us to say, make we dey happy, say truly we are proud to belong to this party. It's painful if a party that feels is the largest party in Africa to be scared of direct primaries. Is the best thing you can give to people, because to me that is where democracy is at play. Now there you democracy for the shine. Now there you foresee people like Ojukwu. Now there you foresee people like the guy when move motion. Now places like that they come from.
Yeah, just take it up from there a little. You see the matter where they talk now, they say now Nigeria now we dey. That's why we dey talk this matter like say we are just talking from the blues. The constitution is very clear on that. Section 56 and 58 of the constitution. Now he talk and say if president in his wisdom feels say wetin National Assembly talk e no clear for him eye, if he withdraw, president no commit any offence. He commit offence? Not at all. The president never act outside the constitution. So we never hang the president at all. The president don't exercise his right. He has a right to sign or not to sign. Now, the National Assembly, do they have that political gut to do what the constitution says they should do? The constitution give power to the National Assembly, may they to override that decision of the president. Say if president no do,
by two-third majority.
Two-third majority. Are they all dead now? Is the house not there? Let them sit down now and do it. That is their function. That is their power. That's what the constitution says. So may they not give us any headache. The president say he no go sign. Good. One part of his right into exercise them. Make National Assembly exercise their own by doing what is right.
But he don't write them. Say they remove that place come out. He don't write them. Say he don't want that. Say they remove it. So go cause confusion.
It's left for them to whether or not to remove it, because it is not law yet until he has done that. It is not a law. It's still being proposed.
But if National Assembly, like you talk, they spend money, they go back to their constituency, then all of them come do meeting, do town meeting, do everything to ensure say they put this together. Why only one person can say no like and they can remove it?
You don't forget wetin constitution talk. Section 53 and section 56 and 58 say president fit say he no go do am.
Okay.
He has his right. Na constitution give am that power. May take say he no go do. But that right is not absolute. E no end there. The National Assembly fit carry on with im function by making sure it becomes law, by signing it. Make them come out.
But that is to say our National Assembly itself na very weak institution. If at all,
okay, you have said so.
If at all, say by now,
yes,
something like this, na only wetin president talk,
na they
follow.
They don't forget what the constitution
give. Them go for different what do you call it now? The tower meeting, opinion, this one, meet people before all of them come back with this one.
Yes.
I don't see say executive go hold any meeting, go find out things about the law or hold stakeholders meeting. So then we go around, go seek opinion from Nigerians. Come say okay, president, see what Nigerians want to. At the end of the day, one person na come say no, I don't want it like this.
Yes.
They can't go to obey am, which means there's no need for National Assembly.
They never obey am. They never obey am.
Huh?
They never obey am. You know say na just today na the thing expire. You know say I challenge them just now. Say make them try, make them go override that decision.
Since they no fit override,
na there we go know say National Assembly is alive.
Since they no fit override, it show say
na from tomorrow they will meet to discuss today.
Na yes men they be. Abi?
You know say
Oh
National Assembly na because of this process, so most of them also they fear. Say if you know some of them know that big talk when don't fuck up, you go hard for them.
Okay, that word no good.
Okay, when some of them will not do something well.
They don't use that kind of
word. Some will not do something. I did sorry. When not do something well, that they fear this kind of matter. But they supposed to do one, make it right. Nigeria now whereby they say people know this one. They suppose National Assembly supposed to use and shine. This was the time for them to shine. Say we did because the person went talk say he no want and so he know they come back. But una some of una need to come back. So I need to write in our name well. Say you since you don't want to, we want to one. You all now January and now you come day now. You are counting time. By next year now election don't start. Campaign don't start. Campaign starting from January, February don't kick start. So if you don't kick start by next year now when our country get chance, can they do all this one again? So they're supposed to quickly put these things for government. They use as one thing say when we did see what thing we do. Now we pass this thing when come this one country day here, people will come clap for them. But now how they wanted to be at the same party. You balance this evening, APC will call leaders of their party with a meeting to the president. Just to ask some few questions. Say, wait here, because they give you peace, may you take come here. You don't know what you will do, Saraki. You say I'm back here again. I beg, you know why you go say I'm sorry, sir. Party hierarchy. And it goes back, that is the end of Captain Marvel. So, and now who the man call, it's just like the way you talk. So, now who the man when they in charge, the speaker call, that they talk. If you like no book from here till, if you no point, you say, Honorable Echoya, representing Lagos constituency, stand up and talk. If you like, raise up your hand. Yeah, he go they look you, but he don't see you. So it's just simple. So he goes to tell you, say, before they also let that man come, give him that power, they don't say you are not going to disturb us. Even if the president do something, not do something well, with this one, we get. So, you know, I don't see any change on waiting happen. So, now waiting, this thing will just also, by next week, maybe they'll come common money for fuel. They'll give Nigeria another direction. Nigeria forget so I begin to think of this one. As you talk now, ask to go tell you say they want strike. So Nigeria also forget this issue. When me and you see again, we know they talk this one. Now that you yesterday, one breaking news don't come. So that's just the problem. All
right, we salute everybody watch on this evening by Saturday. Yes, by Saturday it will be Christmas Derby. Yes. So we want to wish all of you a happy Merry Christmas in advance. And we believe say this country in our own, everything what we need to do to make it greater. We will see better country hand over to our children. Make we all do it. Because you know, got over 200 million people want pack to go America. And don't forget, say those countries too. Now people like me and you, now estimate agree with you. Oga Ichoya, I salute you.
Thank you very much.
Jonas, I greet you too.
Thank you so much.
For I think we've done your company, Renosa Logistics.
Thank you so much.
The will be MD of Renosa Logistics. We salute you well.
Thank you so much.
Good night and God bless you.